How to use battery saver mode in Windows. Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn on battery saver mode in Windows, what it does, and why it's important for your device's battery life. First, click the Start menu, then select the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on System, then scroll down and select Power and Battery. Scroll down to the Battery Saver section. If your battery is below 20%, you'll see an option to turn it on. Click the Turn On Now button. You can also set Battery Saver to turn on automatically when your battery reaches a certain percentage. Just click the Battery Saver settings link and choose a level like 20% or 30%. What is Battery Saver mode? Battery saver mode helps extend battery life by reducing background activity, limiting notifications, and lowering screen brightness.
This makes sure your device lasts longer on a single charge. Using battery saver mode is especially useful when you're working away from a power source, like during travel or outdoor work. It helps you stay productive longer without worrying about a dead battery. And that's it. Now you know how to use battery saver mode to get the most out of your Windows laptop battery. Don't forget to turn it on when you're running low.